In this video help tutorial, we're going to be doing the overview for the Client CRM Management Pro application. For the people that have knowledge about CRM, you understand the overview that we're going to provide in this video. Basically, what we're doing is we're taking a company and its relationships between its company and the people that do business with you, and we're tracking all the interaction, the activities that happen between your company, any kind of relationship where you have a proposal or you're bidding or you're doing sales, anything that's related to that kind of interaction with your customer is what a CRM application manages and monitors. For example, if you have meetings where you attend a meeting and you have information that has come out of the meeting either for action items or you need to follow up with that particular meeting on action items or what was covered in the meeting. This is the essence of what CRM does. It tracks the information. It has all the activities after the meetings or anything that is suggested or promised or any contract negotiations or proposal design or anything that has to do with the RFP, request for a proposal. All that kind of information is managed and monitored so that your company understands all the activity that has occurred and the detailed information that was translated between your customer and your company. Now, in this application, we're going to open up the application map, and I'm going to show you. This is the main screen where we're at right now. Customer data collects information about the customer and also acts as the master or primary screen in the application. All the data editing and everything is controlled through the customer data screen. There are Listview screens where you can do things like conducting finds, where you search for information and group data into a collection of records. And the same thing goes for, say, for example, call management, where you're tracking all the call management things that have to do with making callbacks, follow-ups, and also contacting the customer by phone or email or anything like that to make sure that you have all the information properly disseminated to the customer from your business. A call management list view, again, is like the prior one where you're actually taking information and using a find and sorting the information into groups of records. Meeting management is the actual meetings that you conduct with the client where you are present in a location where everybody is discussing and making modifications or managing data that is being collected during the meeting process. From the meetings, most often you're going to get client action items where your company or your business is looking at the information that's collected in a meeting or from calls, and what you're doing is you're making sure that all the action items that require some kind of input or output from your company is identified and assigned to somebody, and a close date for that action is identified, and then their narration or data that is collected also for managing that information and putting it together in a form that can be used later by your company. So let's go ahead and look at the information in the next video, where we're going to start with the customer data screen and show you how to use this application where you collect information and disseminate that back to whoever in your company that needs to have that information. The last thing I'm going to show you, when you open the application, this button up here, if you click on it, takes you to the tutorials. And just like this one, you're going to be using those tutorials to learn this application. Thank you.